Hello students, so today we are going to study the new topic, that is reducing a fraction into a simplest form. Okay, so to understand this, we will go to the same exercise, that is exercise 6.1. okay, and we'll do from question number 3 because till number 2 we have already done. Okay, so in question number 3, in question 3a, we have 18 by 32. So you have to reduce this fraction into the simplest form. So what do you mean by the fraction in the simplest form? So the fraction in the simplest form means the HCF of numerator and the denominator should be 1. Means there should not be any other number except 1 that divides both numerator and denominator. Okay, so let us proceed. So first what you will do is, the question is in 18 by 32. Okay, so first you have to see the number which divides both 18 and 32. So if you see both are even, so obviously both the numbers are divisible by 2, isn't it? So you have to cancel with that. So how? 2 9s are 18, 2 16s are 32. Okay, so we got in the numerator we got 9, in the denominator we got 16. So the simplest form is 9 by 16. Why 9 by 16? Because if you see, there is no such number except 1 which divides both 9 and 16. So this is in the simplest form. Okay, so similarly if we go to question number B, okay, B you will do it. Okay, I'll go to C. Then 36 by 118. So here also you can see both the numbers are even. Okay, so both will be divisible by 2 only. Okay, so if you divide 18 by 36 by 2, you will get 18. 2 18s are 36, and this one 2 59. If you divide 118 by 2, you will get 59. So what is the answer? The answer is 18 by 59. So this is the simplest form. Okay, so now let us do question number D. Okay, so now in question number D we have 120 by 150. Okay, now so you can cancel this 0 and 0 like this. Okay, if there is 0 in the numerator and denominator, you can cancel it like this. So you will get 12 by 15. So is this the lowest form? No, because if you see 12 and 15 have one more number which divides both 12 and 15, that is 3, isn't it? Because 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So what is the lowest form? 4 by 5. So this is the answer. Okay, similarly you can do number E and number F. So what are your homeworks? B, E and F are your homeworks. Okay, similarly now we'll move to question number B. Sorry, it's 4. So 4a, so it is 5 by 6 equals to blank by 30. Okay, equals to, I'm just copying the question, 15 by blank. So now you have to fill in the blanks, isn't it? So how will you fill? Okay, so you have to see the relation. Since they are equal, this all three fractions are equal. So from 5 equals to dash by 6 equals to, this is 30. So how will you do? What will be in the numerator? Because we have denominator here as 30, here as 6. So 6 into how much is 30? 6 5s are 30, isn't it? So till here we are multiplying by 5. 6 5s are 30. Okay, so here also we have to multiply by 5. That is 5 into 5. So what will you get? 25. Okay, then one more. Here we have numerator is given as 15. So from 5 to 15, what we are doing? we are multiplying by 3. 5 3s are 15. So from 6 to this also we have to multiply by 3. 6 3s are 18. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so similarly in question number B, we have 2 by 9 equals to blank by 54 equals to 22 by blank. So how will you fill? So here we have blank in the numerator and we have 54 in the denominator. So we will check from denominator what we have done. Okay, so from 9 to 54, 9 how many times is 54? 9 6 of 54, isn't it? That means we are multiplying by 6. So here from here to here also we will multiply by 6. So 2 6 are 12. So this is the relation. So from 2 to 22, what you are doing? 2 to 22 we are multiplying by 11 because 2 11s are 22, isn't it? So from here to here also we will multiply by 11. So 9 11s are 99. So this is the answer. Okay, so similarly you can do question number C as your homework from 4. Okay, now we will move to the next question, that is question number 5. Okay, the question number 5 is saying compare using this sign or equals to sign. So I hope when to use all this, you know how to use all these signs, isn't it? This means greater than, this means less than, or this means equals to. Okay, so now, so which one is bigger? If you see the numerator, we have 3, this one, here is 1. So just looking at the numerator also we cannot say this is bigger, or just looking at the denominator we cannot say this one is bigger. For this we have two options. Okay, we have two options. Number one, either we have to make both the numerators same, or we have to make both the denominators same. Okay, means here we have 5, here we have 4, right? But we have to make both the denominators same. So in maximum cases what we do is we make the denominator same. Okay, so how will you make that? So first we will take the LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators, from here 5, from here 4. So what is the LCM of 5 and 4? So I hope you know how to find the LCM, right? So if you see, it will be 20. Then what we will do is 3 by 5. The first fraction is this one, right? So we will try to make its denominator 20. That means we will make both the denominators 20. Okay, so 3 by 5 into, so for that we have to multiply its denominator, since we have 5 in the denominator, right? So how can we make it 20? By multiplying it with 5. How many times is 20? 5 4s are 20, isn't it? So we will multiply the denominator by 4. But we cannot just multiply the denominator. With whatever number you are multiplying the denominator, with the same number you have to multiply the numerator also. So with 4 only. So how much will you get? 3 4s are 12 by 5 4s are 20. See, now we have the denominator as 20. So this one is for first fraction. Now for the second fraction, what is the second fraction? 1 by 4, isn't it? So here also you will make the denominator 20. So how will you make it? So 1 into 4 into, so 4 into how much is 20? 4 into 5 is 20. So we cannot just multiply the denominator by 5. We have to multiply the numerator also with the same number, that is 5. So 1 5s are 5, 4 5s are 20. See, both the denominators are now 20. Okay. Okay. Now what you will do is, now you have to see which, since we have the same denominator, now the term with higher numerator will be the greater one. That means whichever fraction has the greater numerator, that will be the greater one. Okay, so which one has greater? This one. So 12 by 20 is greater than 5 by 20, isn't it? Isn't it? So at last, so from where 12 by 20 came? 12 by 20 came from this fraction, that is 3 by 5 is greater than, from where 5 by 20 came? 5 by 20 came from 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. So 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 4. So you will put this sign here. So this will be here. Okay. So similarly, you can do question number B and C as your homework. Okay. So I have given you total of 6 homeworks. Okay. So you can take your time and do it.